Welcome! In this video, you will learn about how to use the ASIN status report to remove or unenroll eligible ASINs in Canada and Mexico in the Remote Fulfillment by FBA program. To start, go to the Inventory menu in Seller Central and then select the Remote Fulfillment with FBA option from the drop-down. Click on Generate Report to generate the latest version of the report. When the report is ready, the Download button will be activated. Click on the button to view the report. On the Enrollment tab of the report, you will be able to review ASIN status on your entire FBA selection, including ASINs that are enabled, eligible, and enrolled, ineligible, or requires action to enable. You can unenroll enabled ASINs at any point. Simply filter to ASINs labeled as Enable on the Offer Status column. Type in No on the Enable/Disable column under the destination marketplace you wish to unenroll the offers from. Save the changes in your file and go back to the Manage Your Remote Fulfillment ASINs page. Click on the Choose File button, select the ASIN status report file you just saved, and upload it back into our system. Once the upload is completed successfully, check under Results to make sure there are 0 errors. The select ASINs will be unenrolled in chosen marketplaces within 24 hours. In the future, if you want to reactivate those ASINs, simply download the latest report again and type in Yes in the Enable/Disable column under the intended marketplaces. Upload your saved report and your offers will be reactivated or re-enrolled within 24 hours. Thank you and happy selling!